Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Shuō English. I am Jia, and I am so happy to see you here today. This is a very special video. Why? Because we are standing at the door of a new year. Welcome to 2026. Before we start our first story of the year, I have a question for you. I am always curious about our global family. Where are you watching from? Are you celebrating in Tokyo? Are you watching the fireworks in Sydney? Are you sitting quietly in London? Please let me know in the comments below. Seeing your locations makes me feel connected to the whole world. Now, let us prepare our minds. A new year is a new beginning. It is a time to forget old mistakes. It is a time to dream new dreams. Take a deep breath in. Fill your lungs with hope. Now, let it out slowly. Let go of 2025. Let go of the stress. Let go of the sadness. Today, we have a story about a woman named Maya. Maya is ready for a change. We will follow her on New Year's Eve. We will count down the seconds with her. We will watch the fireworks. And we will make a resolution. This is the best way to start your English journey in 2026. Relax, listen, and let the story begin. Chapter 1, The Last Day, December 31st. The story begins on a cold afternoon. It is December 31st. It is the last day of the year 2025. Maya is in her apartment. Usually, Maya is busy. Usually, she is running to work. Usually, she is looking at her phone. But today is different. Today, Maya is cleaning. In many cultures, it is important to clean the house before the new year. Why? To sweep away the bad luck, to make space for good luck. Maya takes a broom. Swish, swish, swish. She sweeps the floor. She cleans under the sofa. She finds a pen she lost. She finds a coin. Out with the old, Maya whispers. In with the new. She opens the window. The cold air comes in. It smells fresh. It smells like winter. It smells like snow. Maya looks at her calendar on the wall. It says 2025. The paper is old. She takes it down. She throws it in the trash. She puts up a new calendar. It says 2026. The pages are empty. The pages are clean. They are waiting for her story. Maya sits down on her clean floor. She takes out a notebook. She wants to think. She wants to reflect. Reflect means to look back at the past. What did I do in 2025? She asks. She worked hard. She was tired. She did not have much fun. I want 2026 to be different, she says. I want to be brave. Chapter 2. The Party Gathering. It is now evening. The sun has gone down. The sky is dark, but the city is bright. There are lights everywhere. Maya puts on a nice dress. It is a red dress. Red is a lucky color. She puts on her coat. She leaves her apartment. She is going to a party. Her friend Sarah is having a party. Maya walks down the street. She hears music. She hears people laughing. Everyone is happy tonight. Strangers smile at her. Happy New Year, they say. Happy New Year, Maya says back. She arrives at Sarah's house. She knocks on the door. Knock, knock. Sarah opens the door. She is wearing a gold hat. Maya, she shouts, come in. The house is full of people. There is music playing. There is food on the table, pizza, chips, cake, and drinks with bubbles, champagne, or sparkling juice. Maya sees her friends. She sees Tom. She sees Lisa. They hug her. We missed you, says Tom. They eat and talk. They talk about the old year. My year was okay, says Lisa, but I want to travel more next year. Me too, says Tom. I want to learn guitar. Everyone has a dream. Everyone has a hope. This is the magic of New Year's Eve. Chapter 3. The Countdown. Midnight. Time moves fast. 10 p.m., 11 p.m., 11:30 p.m. Suddenly, the music stops. Sarah turns on the TV. On the TV, there is a big clock. Millions of people are watching. It is 11:59 p.m. 1 minute left. Only 60 seconds of 2025 remain. Maya feels her heart beat. Boom, boom. She looks at her friends. They hold glasses. They smile. The countdown begins. Everyone in the room shouts together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! The room explodes with noise. People blow horns. Toot toot! People throw confetti. Confetti is small pieces of colorful paper. People hug. People kiss. Maya hugs Sarah. Happy 2026, she says. Outside the window, there is a loud sound. Boom, crack. It is the fireworks. Fireworks. Maya runs to the window. She looks at the sky. It is beautiful. Red lights, green lights, gold lights. They look like flowers made of fire. The fireworks are loud, but Maya feels peace. The old year is gone. The new year is here. Anything is possible. Chapter 4. The resolution, a goal. The party continues, but Maya finds a quiet corner. She sits down. She thinks about her notebook. She needs to make a resolution. Res-o-lu-shen. What is a resolution? A resolution is a promise you make to yourself. Common resolutions are, I will lose weight. I will save money. I will stop smoking. But Maya wants a different resolution. She wants to learn. She wants to grow. She closes her eyes. She imagines herself in the future. She sees herself talking to people. She sees herself traveling. She sees herself speaking English. Yes, that is it. Maya makes her decision. In 2026, she whispers, I will learn English. I will speak confidently. I will practice every day. It is a big goal, but Maya feels strong. She does not need to be perfect. She just needs to try. Sarah comes over. What are you thinking about? Asks Sarah. I made a resolution, says Maya. I am going to learn English. Sarah smiles. That is wonderful, she says. I will help you. We can practice together. Maya feels happy. When you share your goal, it becomes real. Chapter 5. The First Morning, January 1st. The party ends. Maya goes home. She sleeps. She wakes up the next morning. It is January 1st, the first day of the year. The world is quiet. Many people are sleeping. The street is empty. Maya gets out of bed. She goes to the kitchen. She makes coffee. The smell of coffee fills the room. She sits by the window. She watches the sunrise. Sunrise. The sun comes up over the buildings. It is a new sun. It is the first sun of 2026. The light is soft and orange. Maya feels calm. Yesterday, she was cleaning. Last night, she was celebrating. Today, she is beginning. She opens her notebook again. On the first page, she writes the date, January 1st, 2026. Under the date, she writes her first English sentence. She writes slowly. My name is Maya, and I am ready. She reads it out loud. My name is Maya, and I am ready. It is a simple sentence, but it is powerful. It is step 1. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Chapter 6. Taking Action. Just start. Many people make resolutions, but by February, they stop. Why? Because they try to do too much. They say, I will study 5 hours a day. That is impossible. Maya is smart. She knows the secret. The secret is small steps. She does not read a big book. She does not memorize 100 words. Instead, she does something small. She takes her phone. She opens a video. She listens to a story, just like you are doing now. She listens for 10 minutes. She repeats the words. Happy New Year. Resolution. Fireworks. After 10 minutes, she stops. Good, she says. I did it. She feels proud. She kept her promise. She starts the year with a success. She looks at the clean apartment. She looks at the new calendar. She feels the warm coffee in her hand. 2026 is going to be a good year. She can feel it. Vocabulary Review. We have followed Maya into the new year. Now, let us review the important words from the story. I will say the word, you repeat it, and think about the meaning. New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve. The night of December 31st. Midnight. Midnight. 12 at night. Countdown. Count down. Counting backwards. 3, 2, 1. Fireworks. Fireworks. Explosions of light in the sky. Resolution. Resolution. A goal or promise for the new year. Calendar. Calendar. The chart of days and months. Reflect. Reflect. To think deeply about the past. Final thoughts. Your year. My dear friends, Maya's story is your story. You are here. You are listening. You are taking the first step of 2026. Do not worry about being perfect. Do not worry about making mistakes. Mistakes show that you are trying. I want you to make a resolution with me right now. Say it out loud or say it in your head. In 2026, I will improve my English. In 2026, I will be brave. Can you promise me one thing? Promise me that you will not give up even if you are tired, even if you are busy. Just listen for 5 minutes. Just speak one sentence. Small steps lead to the mountain top. Thank you for spending the first moments of the new year with me. I am honored to be your teacher. I am honored to be your guide. I wish you health. I wish you happiness. I wish you success. I am Jia. This is Let's Shuō English. Welcome to 2026. Happy New Year.